Hi dear students, this is the second video about this chapter. It's about division in integers. If you remember, division is the inverse of multiplication, which means when you multiply two numbers 6 times 7 like, it's equal to 42. Then if you divide 42 by 6 or by 7, you are going to get the other one, which means 42 divided by 7, it's going to be equal to 6, or 42 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to 7, since 6 times 7, it's equal to 42. Here we are going to more focus about the signs of the integers in this video. Also, if you remember, plus times plus, it was equal to plus. In previous video we will repeat that one. So positive times positive, the result is going to be positive. And if we divide two positive numbers, the result is going to be positive again. So plus 20 divided by plus 5, it's going to be equal to plus 4, because 4 times 5, it was equal to 20. Or plus 20 divided by plus 4, the answer is going to be equal to plus 5. Here the second example, I can give this one. Minus 4 times plus 5, we know that that's equal to minus, because minus times plus, it's going to be minus. Then minus 20 divided by plus 5, the answer is going to be equal to minus 4. Or minus 20 divided by minus 4, the answer is going to be equal to plus 5. So you can replace them. So negative divided by negative, the answer is going to be positive. Here also negative divided by negative, the answer it's going to be positive. Here we can discuss about this one. Okay, now as you see here, the table, it is given for the signs, and we are going to mostly care about this sign, because you know 72 divided by 9 what it is. Normally when you are dividing two integers, you know that first you are dividing the numbers, or first you are deciding about the answer of the result, then you are going to divide the integers, like in the previous page. So here basically we are going to apply the multiplication rule. Plus times plus, it was equal to plus, so plus divided by plus, it's going to be again plus. Plus times minus, it was equal to minus. Plus divided by minus, it's equal to minus again. So this table, it is same, only the sign is different. And if we summarize like in multiplication, if two signs are same, the answer is positive. If two signs are different, the answer is negative. It's going to be. So when I check these exercises, I see that these two signs, they are different, so answer is negative. These two signs are negative, because this is plus 6, we know that one, it is not written, this is negative, and these two, they have same, so the answer is going to be positive. This was the first one. And here 72 divided by 9, we know that 72 times 8 times 9, it's equal to 72. So 72 divided by 9, it's going to be 8. Since it is minus 9, the answer is going to be minus 8. Minus 54 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to minus 9, because 54 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to 9. And 584 divided by 8, here we should do without using calculator. If we are going to do this operation, we should do this method. 584 divided by 8. Here in first 58, we are going to use the 58. In 58, how many times we have 8? 7 times. In 7 times we have 8 in 58. 7 times 8, it's equal to 56. 56, you are going to subtract. You know how to do this one. 58 subtracted minus 56, and the answer is 2, it's going to be. And here this 4 goes down now, and it becomes 24 here. And 24 divided by 8. Again, I'm going to divide with this one. 24 divided by 8, the answer is going to be 3. So 3 times 8, it's equal to 24. So there is no remainder. It is divided. The answer is going to be 73. Since minus and minus, they are both minus, the result, it should be plus. The answer is plus 73. As you know, we are not writing the answer plus 73. We always write 73 if both answer, if the result is positive. We are not writing the sign, you know, from the previous video. Okay, let's continue with some exercises here to understand the logic. Instead of concentrating to multiplication result, we should concentrate here the signs, because we are going to multiply two integer. The result is positive. One of them is positive, so first this should be positive. And 7 times 8, 7 times 8, it's equal to 56. So the answer is 7. Here it should be. Here we know that 9 times 5, it's equal to 45, but since it is minus 45, it means that this is minus 45. It's going to be, and we are going to solve these questions here. Okay, here 32 divided by 8, it's going to be equal to 4. We know that one. But here 48 divided by minus 6, it's going to be equal to minus 8, and we have to be careful about this one. That's the important part here. It's going to be 48 divided by minus 6. The answer should be negative, because we are dividing positive and by negative number. Positive number divided by negative number, the answer is going to be minus, or if the signs are different, the result, it should be different. Okay, with respect to that one, we are going to solve the others in the class with you.